Most people think Freecash is broken the moment rewards stop tracking or offers disappear. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the problem is actually caused by setup mistakes, tracking issues, device restrictions, or account flags users never notice. And if you don't fix the real issue correctly, you can waste hours completing offers without getting paid. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Freecash not working in 2026 step by step, including reward tracking problems, login issues, payout delays, and the hidden mistakes that block earnings completely. Let's start with the fastest fix first. The number one problem on Freecash is failed offer tracking. Most offers rely on advertiser systems to confirm installs, gameplay milestones, surveys, or purchases. For example, Jay clicks an offer but accidentally closes the tracking page too early. Later, he finishes the game challenge but receives 0 rewards because the install never tracked properly. That happens constantly. But here's the problem. Many users keep grinding offers without realizing tracking already failed at the beginning. Now here's where it gets interesting. The easiest fix is reinstalling the app, or restarting the offer correctly through the official Freecash link. Also make sure tracking permissions are enabled on your phone before starting any task. This is especially important on newer Android and iPhone devices where app tracking settings are stricter. And here's another huge issue people ignore. VPNs and multiple accounts. Freecash monitors suspicious activity very closely. If the system detects VPN usage, emulator software, fake traffic, or duplicate accounts, your offers may stop working instantly. For example, Alex uses a VPN to unlock higher-paying offers from another country. Suddenly, his account rewards stop updating completely. This is where most people fail. They accidentally trigger security systems without realizing it. In a minute, I'll show you the hidden setting that fixes many login and loading problems. First, clear your browser cache or app cache completely. Older session files can sometimes interfere with offer walls, payout pages, and account loading. Then restart your device and log back in normally. Simple fixes matter more than people think. Now here's the hidden issue many users overlook. Offer requirements. Some Freecash tasks require reaching exact game levels, spending a minimum amount of time inside the app, or completing milestones within a specific deadline. Missing even one condition can cancel rewards entirely. For example, John reaches level 15 in a game, but the offer required level 16 before payout eligibility. One small mistake means no reward. That's why reading offer details carefully is critical. And here's another important thing. Sometimes payout systems experience delays during high traffic periods. That does not automatically mean Freecash is a scam. Many users still report successful payouts in 2026. But verification systems and advertisers can occasionally slow reward processing. Now let's simplify the full fix process. Check your tracking permissions, disable VPNs, avoid multiple accounts, clear cache, update the app or browser, verify offer requirements carefully, and restart incomplete offers properly. Those steps solve most Freecash problems. And here's the biggest takeaway. The majority of Freecash not working issues are usually tracking failures, not payment scams. Once you understand how advertiser tracking works, fixing these problems becomes much easier. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the exact Freecash issue you're facing. And stay tuned, because next we're covering the highest paying reward apps that actually work in 2026.